always ends up breaking, but everything still works out in the end. No matter what they call it, no matter what they want it, you know there's no way they'll ever get it. When you're supposed to keep on standing, we'll call it whatever that we want it. Don't you know there's no way they will ever get it? When you're supposed to keep on standing, standing.
I used to act kinda normal, I couldn't complain. Now it's never the same. I found myself picking pieces of my skin.